Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to disable reminder emails, notifications, and Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, a menu will pop up. Click on Notifications. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. Once you're on the Notifications page, click on Emails Notifications. This is where you can manage all your email notification settings. Now, under Reminder Emails, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn it off. This will disable all reminder emails notifications from Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully disabled reminder emails notifications in Instagram on your PC. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and turn them back on if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.